So we're gonna go ahead and manipulate the root because I see a square root of x in here. Well, I wanna make u equal to the square root of x, and by squaring that, I will get u squared equal to x. And that's what we call manipulating the root so that we can get rid of the square root that we had there initially. We have 2u du is equal to our dx, and this is perfect because that's exactly what we're gonna use for that. I have the integral of the square root of x. I have u, and then I have the square root of, and I still have the square root of x, which is gonna be u plus 6 times our differential, which is gonna be 2u du. First, let's go ahead and bring the 2 on the outside. So we have 2, and then we're gonna have u squared root u plus 6. But we still have another square root in here. So guess what? We're gonna manipulate the root again. So we have this portion right here. Now that's gonna be our w is gonna be the entire root. We're gonna go ahead and square both sides and get u plus 6 is equal to w squared. 2w dw is equal to du. This is perfect. Why? Because that is our differential right there. We're gonna have a u squared right here. We need to find something that's in terms of w that represents u squared. That's gonna give me w squared minus 6 is equal to u. Square both sides, w squared minus 6 squared is equal to u squared. Well, we have the 2, and then integral of u squared, which we said was this value right here. So w squared minus 6 squared times this entire thing, which is just gonna be w. And then we have times dw, or 2w dw. So multiplying this to the other 2 on the outside is gonna be 4. And now we're gonna have w squared, because these 2 w's right here, and then w squared minus 6 squared dw. Wow, look at that. W squared minus, I said w squared minus 2, but it's w squared minus 6 times w squared minus 6. When I multiply these together using the FOIL method, it will give me w to the 4th minus 12w squared plus 36. But remember, I'm gonna multiply everything by w squared. So what would this give me? I would have 4 integral of w to the 6th minus 12w to the 4th plus 36 w squared dw. I have 4 times this entire thing. W to the 7 over 7 minus 12 w to the 5th over 5 plus 36 w cubed over 3. And then don't forget your plus cheese. And then we're going to simplify this, and we're also going to multiply everything by 4. So we need to start rewriting everything. Is we're going to write 4 sevenths, and then we have the w part, which is roots x plus 6 to the power of 7 over 2. So minus 48, and then we're gonna do square root of x plus 6 to the 5/2 over 5. And then one last thing, 48 square root of x plus 6 to the 3/2 plus your cheese. And we have successfully solved problem number 61 on Book of Integrals.